Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect Supabase to Vscode. First, go to the Supabase website on your browser and sign into your account. Now click on Start Your Project to create a new Supabase project. Then click on Continue with GitHub. Supabase uses GitHub authentication to manage projects and permissions. Here, enter your username or email, or simply continue with Google Login if that option is available. Now select your Google account and complete the sign-in process. After that, click on New Organization. This creates a workspace where all your Supabase projects will be managed, especially useful if you plan to build multiple apps. Once your Supabase setup is ready, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If Vscode is not installed, go to the official website and click on Download for Windows. Then click on the download button at the top right corner and wait for the installer to finish downloading. After that, install and open Vscode. Now inside Vscode, click on the extensions icon on the left sidebar. This is where you can install tools and integrations. In the search bar, type Supabase. Make sure you look for the official Supabase extension. Click on it to open the extension page and then click Install. Once installed, Vscode will add Supabase support to your editor, allowing you to connect projects, manage databases, run queries, and work with backend features directly inside your code editor. Now open the Supabase extension panel inside Vscode and sign in if it asks you to authenticate. After signing in, connect your Supabase project using your project URL and API keys from the Supabase dashboard. Once everything is connected, you can start working with your Supabase database directly inside Vscode and manage your backend more easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.